It's a very girl in it. Oh Jesus. It's a rainy day and it's also windy. The temperature is around 10 degrees. Oh my god. I can't really put on my umbrella right now. But I have it because it's windy. It's like it's going to even take me off the ground. Oh my Jesus Christ. When you dislike rain, it's when you have a baby. Not just a little baby that you can control. Oh my god. I think I'll hold it. Not to seem to be walking today. My dear, it's worst. Oh Jesus. When you have a toddler, you're trying your best for the child not to get wet and they don't want the pram cover. You cannot use the umbrella because it's obviously windy. And you're trying to struggle with how you move with the weather. But the children keep taking it as food. Oh my god. It was an easy experience. I didn't know what I'm saying because I'm cold. Getting very wet. My trousers are very wet already. Hope you guys are fine. Yeah, I'm off to college already. I'll close this. Thank you, Jesus. Take care of yourself. Remember your girl loves you. Bye.